Panama City Beach! Back at it again, Sean and Alice, Bay Real experts, Coldwell Banker Realty, and we are at a townhouse. I think there's like 6 units in this building, maybe a little bit more.
No, we're in unit 6.
Yeah, I know we're in unit 6, but how many units are there total in this
I haven't
building?
counted, but there's more on this side and there's more on that side.
Okay, so we'll get to that maybe at the end of the video. But this listing is currently held with Kelli and Renata with Beachy Beach. Thank you so much for letting us do a really quick, well, I don't know if it's going to be quick, but it'll be an informal buyer's agent type of preview of this home. And we are right on the Gulf. So let's get to this property tour and show you around.
Let me give you the address. Is 17927 Front Beach Road, unit number 6. And this is a 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms townhouse.
Do you know the square footage?
Yes, it is 2001-23.
Oh, okay. And the city and zip code?
Panama City Beach, 32413.
Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna go up to the upper level first. You know, I started this YouTube resolution that I'm gonna not huff and puff when I get to the top of the stairs anymore. So I'm gonna start on the 3rd level and then work my way down. See what I'm doing there? I'm kind of cheating. So we got laundry here. We've got a bedroom. So out this window you can see down into the parking lot and towards Front Beach Road. You do have a bathroom in here that is attached. The bedroom is carpet and then goes to a tile floor. And let's see, do we have a shower and tub combo here? Yes, we do. Okay. Looks like a couple of closets here. Let's confirm. Actually, it's one continuous closet. There's the separate door that goes into it. Down the hallway here,
You'll find the primary or master bedroom suite.
cool. So again, another closet right behind the door. Does it go all the way through on this one?
Let's see. Hello.
I guess it does. That's a pretty big closet then. So here is the best view in the house. I'll show you the bathroom that's attached to it first. We got a big soaker tub that is jetted. Check it out. And a shower where you don't have to worry about your shoulders bumping into the wall. Got a little nook there for the toilet, and check out this vanity. Double vanity here. And that view we were talking about. Let's check that out.
That's phenomenal. It looks like they have all new windows.
Wow. It is a bit hazy out today, and the waves are churned up because we got some wind out there. Let's go down to the 2nd level. That's where we started our video. Can you tell I'm doing a ninja walk? We have a guest half bath right here. And off the kitchen, there's a pantry.
And they have a gas stove here.
Nice.
I love that. With a window view to the Front Beach Road out there.
Okay. Yeah, we looked at that from upstairs.
That's nice.
And then you have a bar stool height counter here, and then your dining area. What kind of flooring is this? I'm not even going to try and guess.
It's tile.
See, I thought it was tile. I just wasn't gonna go on record and say I thought it was tile.
Yeah.
If you guys have been following the channel, you know, I'll swear that it's a certain type of flooring, and then Alice will bust me and say, actually.
I thought it was LVP, but it's tile.
What do we got here?
That's what you pay for.
Lovely views. So there's actually a stairwell that will go downstairs from the exterior that we'll show you right now.
I'll see you there.
All right. While we're outside, we'll finish the tour of the exterior and then move in to the bottom floor to wrap up the video. But here, this is what you buy an almost $1 million townhouse for. We're gonna save you $1. It's currently listed for $900,000. $999,999. I wonder if there's 9/10 of cents on it. I'm just kidding. But yeah, it's pretty much $1 million townhouse here. So let's see. I'm gonna count the peach ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Looks like they put some hardy board on the outside of theirs, and then a firewall, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are more than 6. You guys count them up for me. Put it in the comments section below. Sun is frying my brain. I got excuses for days. All right, let's go back inside. Primary level now. We got an outdoor shower here. Got an owner's closet here. And then this lovely person to bring you a margarita. You can tell I'm already moving in my mind.
So here's the third bedroom. And they have a full bathroom right outside and your garage.
Oh wow, what a nice shower. I love it. We got a hall closet here.
That's pretty deep.
Yep. And we're gonna save me some cardio by not going back up those stairs, but we were just there. And then Alice did say garage. So we have a 1-car garage here. You want to see the outside, the front of the building?
Yes.
All right, let's do that.
So it's kind of like right smack in the middle.
I'm going to see this cross street here real quick while she's counting. You know what? If you guys already put a comment in the section below of how many units there are here, now you'll be fighting with Alice if she's got a different number. So we're at the cross street of De Luna. And then see where that 6 is above the door? That's the front of your unit. Here's the parking lot and everything else attached in here.
So on the same front level, there's 12 units, but there's 3 more on that end. I'm not sure it's connected to the same building.
And what about those 2 blue ones over there?
Yeah, exactly. So it's kind of like sit a little bit outside.
Well, let us know what you guys think. How many units are here? We saw it from the front and the back now. Thank you again, Kelli and Renata, for letting us do a buyer's agent video walkthrough of your listing here in Laguna Beach, Panama City Beach, Florida. And
don't forget to hit the subscribe button. the like button.
And if you guys are
And-
interested in buying this unit, give Alice a call. I'll leave her contact information below.
Meanwhile, don't forget.
I know. I always forget something. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive, you guys.
And we hope see your comments
Bye for
down
now.
below.